कारोबार संबंधी इश्तिहार लगवाउण लई संपर्क करो साडे नंबर 2013124180 ਜਾਂ ਸਾਡੀ ਈਮੇਲ ਆਈਡੀ preetnamausa@gmail.com।
सारे लोग all the volunteers Shilpa over here इन सभी के लिए जोरदार तालियां come on everybody put your hands
आदि यांगो तुसी न्यूयॉर्क का क्राउड होवे और जीने के हैं 4 दिन।
हर साल की तरह इस बार भी 13वीं इंडिया डे परेड हिक्सविल लॉन्ग आइलैंड न्यूयॉर्क विच बड़ी धूमधाम नाल कड्ढी गई। पटेल ब्रदर्स हिक्सविल तो भारत ਅਤੇ अमेरिका के राष्ट्रीय गान नाल शुरू हुई परेड का नज़ारा बड़ा लुभावना सी। खूबसूरत ते रंग बिरंगे फुल्लां नाल सजियां झांकियां देश की अनेकता नूं एकता विच परो रहीआं सन। सारा इलाका भारती रंग विच रंगिया नज़र आ रहा सी। ग्रैंड मार्शल जिया परदा ते नीतू चंद्रा की हाज़री ने परेड की रौनक होर वधा दित्ती। हरेक फ्लोट उपर देश भगती के गाने वज रहे सन। तिरंगे झंडे के रंगां वाले खूबसूरत लिबास विच सजे लोकां दा देश प्यार नज़र आ रहा सी। परेड तो बाद सजी स्टेज उपर खूबसूरत कल्चर प्रोग्राम ने सब दा मन मोह लिया। छोटे छोटे बच्चों की अदाकारी काबिले तारीफ सी। मशहूर गायक सरबजीत चीमा खुदा बख्श अते रैक्स डी सूजा की मिठी आवाज़ ने खूब जादू चलाया अते सब नूं नच्चण ला दिता। भारतीयों का देश प्यार ते जोश काबिले तारीफ ते देखण योग सी। लोकां ने मुफ्त भोजन का भी आनंद माणिया। इस मौके ते आकर्षण रैफल इनाम भी कड्ढे गए। IDP प्रेसिडेंट विमल गोयल दीपक बांसल अते समूह IDP टीम इस सफलतापूर्वक संपन्न हुई परेड की बधाई के पात्र है।
Government. We are so proud to work with you and celebrate your culture, heritage, religion. It's just a wonderful celebration today. I'm so happy to be here with you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Jai Prada ka namaskar. Thank you, sir, Honorable Consul General Shri Vishal ji and Bobby ji and all political dignitaries, congressmen respected, and all the IDP USA, a team, and thanks to Bansal ji and Goyal ji for this opportunity for giving me. मैं आप सभी को बहुत खुशी से मैं आपको इस हमारे इंडिया इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेशन पे आप सभी आए हैं, आपको स्वागत है और मुझे भी गर्व एहसास हो रहा है। एंड दिस इज द डे इट फील्स प्राइड एंड यूनिटी एंड जॉय। एंड आई वांटेड टू से दिस, आई फील दैट एज एन इंडियन आई एम वेरी मच ऑनर्ड एंड यहाँ के जितने लोग आते हैं उन सभी को मैं नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, और आप सभी को मैं, अगर तेलुगु वाले भी हैं यहाँ तो नमस्कार। मैं केम छो I love you all and today thanks to this organization who has done the contribution to the society and celebrating here more than India. We celebrate here in America. आप दूर दूर रहते हैं लेकिन आपके दिलों में अपने जो हिंदुस्तान का जो दिल अभी भी जीवन है, जागते हैं। अपनी मातृभूमि के लिए आप लोग हमेशा साथ रहने के लिए आप लोग कोशिश करते हैं। वंदे मातरम, भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
सबको नमस्ते, प्रणाम। बहुत प्राउड फील कर रही हूँ मैं आज यहाँ खड़े होकर। रिस्पेक्टेड CG, all the political leaders, dignitaries on the dais, my senior Jaya ji, Bobby Kaloti ji, Deepak Bansal ji, Vimal Goyal ji, and each and every one standing here. Thank you so much for this beautiful day. और इतनी खूबसूरती से हम यहाँ इंडिपेंडेंस डे बना रहे हैं, 78th इंडिपेंडेंस डे। इट इज ब्यूटिफुल, यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी में इससे बड़ा हमारे पास एग्जाम्पल नहीं हो सकता है। आई वुड बी वेरी हैप्पी टू टेल यू दैट फर्स्ट टाइम एवर आई बिकेम अ ग्रैंड मार्शल वाज फॉर लॉन्ग आइलैंड इन 2016 and I'm very proud to be standing in Long Island, New York, to be celebrating this along with such amazing successful dignitaries on the dais. I'm very proud to say that I'm an Indian and celebrating India Independence Day with all of you in a different place, different country, but it doesn't feel like it. So thank you for so much for this unity and happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, God bless America. Thank you.
Canada Boys Debate Supervisor Joseph Saladino, also in charge of Hicksville. We're so happy to have this wonderful Indian Independence Day parade right here in our town. Our Congress members are here, senators, assembly members, all of the dignitaries of North India coming right here to Hicksville in the town of Oyster Bay. Friends, we say congratulations and happy Independence Day. I'm Supervisor Joe Saladino saying Jai Hind.
The largest democracy in the world. I am the town supervisor of North Hempstead, Jennifer DeSena. I'm so proud of our Indian residents for all they contribute to our economy, medicine, business, real estate. I'm so proud of all they do around the world to help others and to protect democracy. Congratulations.
Let's start up. No.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जला है तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल।
Proud to be Punjabi, proud to be an Indian. Let's go march and show the people we are the great people in the world, and we're proud to be American as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Many of you live here with me here in Hicksville. God bless you all. Have a great day, and again, enjoy the parade.
I'm Jake Blumenkrantz. It is so good to be here in the 15th Assembly District. I share this community with Rose on the county level. I'm on the state level, and we're so proud and excited to represent all of you here at the India Day Parade. We have so many amazing members of law enforcement. Let's give them a round of applause for joining us here today. Thank you to everyone who came here to celebrate democracy, and here's Supervisor Joe Saladino.
Thank you, Assemblyman. I'm Supervisor Joe Saladino saying, Jai Hind! Happy Independence Day on behalf of all of my colleagues. We're here for you, so you have a seat at the table. Whether Town of Oyster Bay is your home, North Hempstead's your home, we have a place for you at the table, and we're so thrilled to celebrate Independence Day! So all of my colleagues, I want to make sure you know who supports you. Put your hands together for Legislator Rose Walker. To the supervisor in the town of North Hempstead, you just heard from her. She does such a great job making sure she represents you. Put your hands together for Supervisor Jen DeSena. Our dear friends representing us in Albany, including Senator Jack Martins. He represents Hicksville. Also, we have Senator Steve Rhodes. Assemblyman Jake Blumenkranz. Assemblyman John McEwen. Gotta love her. She's the North Hempstead Town Clerk, our very own Regeni Strevastava. Regeni Strevastava. We're also joined by Mike LaPetri, former state assemblyman, representing County Executive Bruce Blakeman. Put your hands together for Mike LaPetri. Mike LaPetri. A very big thanks to Judge Charlie McQueer. Thank you, Charlie McQueer. Charlie McQueer is with us. And of course, our very own Bobby Kumar. Where are you, Bobby? We love you all. It's very important for us. To our president, thank you very much, Mr. President, and you and the committee for organizing this. The center of the town of Oyster Bay is Hicksville, and the center of Hicksville is the Indian community. Happy Independence Day! Jai Hind!
Talk about Senator Brown.
The beautiful diversity that is the 4th Congressional District and of course Nassau County. Thank you all for having us. Looking forward to a great parade.
Bande! 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 Ja! 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 Okay, now you heard all our distinguished elected officials spoken, not all, our brother, the town supervisor, and the entire town government of Oyster Bay. These things could not happen without their support. My brother, your brother, our elected supervisor, I call him his son, and the reason is because the father-in-law.
Prakash, who has his Apna Bazaar and Holiday Inn and a lot of other businesses. And he's a great community supporter, and we love him, and he also loves the community and always is there for the community. Sir, thank you so much. It's an honor to have you here.
Thank you. I request all of you to please come near the stage so we can all participate jointly and with me. आप सभी लोगों के रिक्वेस्ट है, नारा लगाएं, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। और जो पीछे खड़े हैं सभी लोग सब इकट्ठे होकर नारा लगाएंगे, भारत माता की जय। Alright, let's all pray together and pay homage to the freedom fighters who guarded the freedom. And I'm very happy our family, all of your family and my family, Sartaj, Sonika, Dev, everybody, Meena is joining here, and Simran. All right, thank you very much.
Now I request our lead party, sorry. My dear friends,
the 78th Independence Day of India. From a fledgling nation, when India got its independence in 1947, it has become a world power to reckon with. So it's a wonderful day, and I really welcome you all to join together to celebrate our Independence Day. Thank you very much. Jai Hind!
Jai Kumar, Bobby Kaloti ji.
What a here in Hicksville as we celebrate Independence Day, 78 years to create the world's largest democracy. Jai Hind!
नहीं
होठों पे सच्चाई रहती है, दिल में सफाई रहती है। हम उस देश के वासी हैं, हम उस देश के वासी हैं, जिस देश में गंगा बहती है।
जय भारत माता की जय। 21वीं सदी उज्जवल भविष्य।
मेरे जय वीर जवानों का बल 13th India Day Parade in Hicksville और 78 Independence Day celebrate कर रहे हैं. And I want to thank you to Preet Nama ji, Preet Pal ji, always support the community. And I want to thank you to Preet Pal, के friends को, Preet Nama के viewers को, सबको. The best thing हमारी परेड आज की सबसे बड़ी परेड थी. More than 50 group marched today. सब 10 से ज़्यादा फ्लोट थे. बहुत लोग आए. It was one of the greatest one. And the specialty today we had a free food for everyone. So that's amazing. I want to thank you to our president, Deepak Bansal, also Vimal Goyal, our founder Bobby Kalani, and all the participants and the entire team to make this happen. Thank you. Thank you.
Dance performance from Rhythm Dance Academy. We have choreographer Shilpa Mithaiwala. I must say, I think the Shilpas, myself and the other Shilpa, take Long Island rocking. We have rocked Long Island and we have them dancing to our tunes. So ladies and gentlemen, can you please give a warm round of applause to Rhythm Dance Academy's Little Munchkins, next generation taking our culture forward and celebrating India's Independence Day.
All right. देखो कितने cute लग रहे हैं छोटे छोटे.
Are they ready? DJ वाले बाबू मेरा गाना बजा दो, गाना बजा दो, गाना बजा दो. के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया के लोगों.
Day of India. It's such an amazing experience that we're celebrating it here in America. And you see thousands of Indian Americans gathered here and celebrities from India and all the patriotic feelings. It's deja vu reminds me of while we were kids growing up in India celebrating 15th August. We used to dress up and go for the flag ceremony, you know. So it brings back memories. At the same time, we must remember our freedom fighters who got us the freedom to begin with, and it was hard fought. A lot of sacrifices went into it, and we must always be thankful to this great land, our adopted land, which is allowing us to celebrate India's independence. So I feel fortunate to belong to two best nations on this planet, India and America. Cannot be better than that. So we are all blessed. Jai Hind, God bless America.
And they start their first collection of finance with Mr. Ravi Chopra, who they think is their good luck. So hopefully he will be donating and supporting this IDP.
Without Raviji, nothing happens here in Hicksville or anywhere in New York. ਹੁਣ ਸਾਡਾ ਕਬੱਡੀ ਦਾ ਐਡਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਟੂਰਨਾਮੈਂਟ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ, ਉਹ ਪ੍ਰਮੋਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. He's there, his support is there, and family support is always there. And we always very thankful to you, Raviji.
Thank you, Rajiv. Rajiv is the honor of catering hall, one of the best catering hall, and once he take over, he is doing the #1 catering hall in New York. And also our Preet Nama Indian news channel, which is as a woman, she's doing really well. I'm very proud for that. And we have also this India Day parade every year, and every year is growing, and we like it. To all Indians that we connected, we meet, we celebrate, and we enjoy. And we want to our next generation also see that what is our culture and what is we are doing. And that's and also we have a kabaddi in Union Dell in 14th September. So everyone can join there also. Thank you very much.
event that celebrates the progressive Indian community, a large community coming together, jubilantly rejoicing.
In our audience, are you guys ready for some big show? Grab some food because we have a musical phenomenon concert. Let's give a warm round of applause to the rest of our performers and grab your.
Coming to our stall, this is lotusinthemud.com, wellness and spirituality magazine. It is free to read, free to subscribe. Go to lotusinthemud.com. It's all about wellness, spirituality, Indian wisdom for everybody, not for just Hindus or Buddhists or Sikhs, for everybody in the world. Thank you.
Happy Independence Day. We are so happy that IDP is celebrating this wonderful day, and this Puritnama is taking such a nice coverage and the pictures for IDP. We are so happy and thank you very much for doing this.
Are you ready to dance?
ਲੇਟੈਸਟ ਨਿਊਜ਼ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਣੇ ਫੋਨ ਤੇ ਦੇਖਣ ਲਈ ਸਾਡਾ ਚੈਨਲ ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਾਈਬ ਕਰੋ ਅਤੇ ਨੋਟੀਫਿਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਲਈ ਬੈਲ ਆਈਕਨ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਦਬਾਓ।